Today is a fishing day. We are heading to a little creek up in the mountains south of where I live. Stopped at a railroad crossing right now as a train rumbles past, but I'm meeting up with my friend Alex. Should be a good day of Tenkara fishing. It's cold, it snowed last night, and it's very foggy. So we'll see how these conditions affect us while we're fishing. All right, let's go fishing.
It's happening.
Okay.
Pretty little fella.
Beautiful. I know there's a fish in there. Yeah. This is the footage people tune in for. Do you have a dry, something you can wipe off the lens with?
I don't think I do. You could try.
Pardon me. Don't mind me.
Oh, nice. When they're that tiny, it's hard to tell if it's a fish or you're just snagging them.
Yeah.
It's the same thing that happened with mine.
Beautiful. My first rainbow.
Okay, buddy. Okay.
I'm gonna get my gloves out. Put my gloves on. It's hard for me to hold my index finger straight because it's so cold. Oh. Help! Help! Grab this!
Oh, he popped off.
Oh. Another one lost. It's a couple of days later now. Let me get you all caught up on what happened there exactly. So it was really cold and my fingers weren't functioning really well, and so I didn't want to keep fumbling with the GoPro, and so I just let it run out until I didn't have any battery left. And even though I had another battery with me, I didn't want to mess around with all of that stuff, which is unfortunate because soon after that we found this beautiful pool that had just had tons of little rainbows in it. And so I think I ended up getting 9 fish that day. I think Alex got the same or more. Out of that one pond, we probably got, I don't know, 12 or 15 fish. Not pond, but little pool. It was amazing. So I will include some pictures of those fish here at the end of the video. And I will definitely be going back to that little pool to fish it some more, and I will get video footage of that. Hopefully it won't be raining. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next little Tenkara adventure.